Banker's offer went down, but it's still 100,000 pesos. Press the button, sure na yon. Say no, isang case lang. Gabi boy na boy ang piso. At of course, nandiyan ang 2 million, which means 2 million can be in your briefcase. Isa lang ang kailangan buksan.
1, 2, 3,
Deal
4, 5.
or no deal?
Hey, against all odds. No deal. Laruin na lang natin.
Ikaw na mamili.
21.
21. Bernice.